ticking is, it's supposed to sound cooler, but it will eventually.
I mean, it sounds. I mean, compared to what? Like right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's probably as cool as there is, you know.
What the fuck is this thing doing? See that little arrow? I mean,
That box that's hovering around it.
It just says bouncing all this in some weird way. I never noticed that. It's cool. Maybe because I've never had that.
Because you're operating within I'm going to call it a live environment. I don't know what it is, but like, because otherwise you'd have a standard cursor for everything else that's going on your machine, right?
Yeah. So what I have is 4 hertz going into this area here.
The vagus nerve or something.
The vagus nerve area. And, wait a minute, that's right here. Right. So I have that, but then I have a binary relative number. So like, these are all binary numbers. So like, right now the fluctuation that's going on the eyes is 32 hertz. See, this is a kind of throttle. See how it slows down?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I get close to where I want to go. Then close this one. Oh, I know why now watch this. I know why the sound for this isn't coming out. Watch this shit. Watch this. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. Okay, so. Oh shit, these 2 keys are tripping. So it's supposed to be backspace. See now, and I also have like an indicator when, so I do this. And when I let it go, a letter comes out. But right now it's coming out capital. Oh, that's reversed. Look at that shit. See, that should be going. Oh, there it goes. Are you picking any of that up?
Yeah, I'm getting bits of it.
Okay, so
I could be doing a better job filming, but I wasn't really paying attention.
So now I'm going to type. Oh, that's the wrong thing. I have to remember where S is. It's PQRS. See this cat. I'm getting capital S.
I thought you had it for a second.
We just type the word. Fuck it. We won't depend on it. So.
You touched pseudo. Okay.
I fucked it up. But
that's cool. No, I get it. I see it.
So,
yeah.
Let's see, P, D, and they're all capital, which is fucked up. But that would. Oh, and watch this. So I got space. Now watch. Here's my numbers. So,
But the numbers sound much more consequential every time you do it. It sounds like something out of like Krypton or something, you know,
oh,
invoking some powerful.
So, and then also, you notice I got all my symbols. So I can program. So that's symbols. That's numbers.
Yeah.
See, this is supposed to be capital letters, but right now it's
doing lowercase, right?
Yeah, it's doing that.
And you got capitals over there.
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't know why it all went back just now, but hey, whatever. So now I can come back over here. But now you can see, I mean, it's right here.
It's actually happening, yeah.
It's actually right here.
You did the whole thing without a keyboard.
On the same machine my fucking 3D printing software is on.
Yeah.
Watch that shit. Look at this. Watch this. Oh, I think I'm moving it up. Look at that shit. That's interesting. Look, it just went through the fucking.
Oh, you're raising the actual, like changing the axis or the.
Yeah, it's actually lifting up off the bed.
Yeah. So it would just be printing into air.
Oh, you know what it's doing? It's the arrows. Holy shit.
Oh. So you're rotating and everything.
That's up. That's down. Because when I hold this down, so the mouse is still in there. That's wow.